Hi guys, let's get into this cashew shrimp. Okay, so what I'm going to be doing is toasting this cashew. The reason I'm doing this is because I didn't have the roasted one that you get in the, the regular planters. I didn't have that. So I'm just toasting this in the pan just to give it a little more flavor instead of just using the plain raw cashew. So once that's done, set that aside, and in the same pan, if you need a little more oil, just add a dash of oil. And I'm going in with the garlic and ginger, of course. Fresh ginger is best in this dish. You just want to keep stirring so that it doesn't burn. A light golden brown is okay, but you don't want it to get too dark before you get to add the other ingredients. So the shrimp that I'm going to be adding, I've marinated it already. So bear in mind, you are using soy sauce, so you don't need salt. I'm using a low sodium soy sauce, so make sure you check that soy sauce that you're using. If it's not low sodium, it's going to be very salty. So you might need to use a little less than I'm using. And of course, here we are turning the shrimp. We don't want to cook the shrimp completely because we're going to be adding other ingredients into the stir fry. So the shrimp will complete its cooking while we're cooking the other ingredients. So guys, today I'm just having this with some bok choy. If you want to have this with rice and you think it needs more sauce to go with that rice, what you can do is add like a teaspoon of cornstarch to maybe 2 teaspoons of water, dissolve that, add a little more soy sauce or hoisin sauce and stir it in here so you can get more sauce to go with that rice. And we're done. You can take it off the stove. Remember, shrimp doesn't take very long to cook, so you are good to go. Let me know if you have any questions, guys, and stick around for my tips and suggestions at the end of the video. Take care.